In this video, I will guide you through how to cancel subscription in Google Play Store. Now, simply start by opening your Google Play app and then click on this profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. So once you click on that, you're going to see this section that says payments and subscription. So click on it. Now, once you get in here, you will see this subscription section. So click on it. Now in here, you'll be able to see each and every active plan that you actually have. So you can see. So you'll be able to see every single thing in here. Now I have an active plan for my Canva app. So once I click on it, and then you are going to see cancel subscription at the bottom. So I can either pause my payment or I can cancel the subscription. So this is the fastest way for you to actually cancel any subscription on your Google Play app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.